Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about nuclear chapter. That is, in that chapter we have the main portion, also the radioactivity. Okay, so we are going to again discuss about radioactivity. तो रेडियो का मतलब होता है नॉट ए रेडियो, इट इज ए रेडिएशन. एक्टिविटी मतलब emission of its own. Okay, so actively it participate in the radiation wave. Okay, so this all about the radioactivity है. तो वहाँ पे कैसा डिफाइन करना है? This radioactivity is very important. The phenomena of spontaneous emission of radiations, okay, by heavy element whose atomic number is greater than 82. Okay, जो पीरियोडिक टेबल के अंदर 82 के ऊपर जो रहते हैं, most probably they are radioactivity. The phenomena of emission of spontaneous emission, जैसे कि हमने देखा है जब कभी एक सोर्स लाइट कैसा इमिट करेगा वैसा ही क्या करेगा दिस फॉर एग्जांपल यूरेनियम 92-238. So this always emit the some radiation by its own in the form of radiations. Okay, in the form of radiations. What are those radiations? These radiations are called nuclear radiations. कौन से radiations होते हैं? These are nuclear radiations. But nuclear radiations are again alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, nuclear radiations कौन से रेज हो सकते हैं? अल्फा रेज, बीटा रेज एंड गामा रेज. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो भी हमारा न्यूक्लिया है, दिस न्यूक्लिया is going to participate spontaneously, मतलब continuously they will emit the nuclear radiation such as alpha rays, beta rays and gamma rays. Such phenomena totally we call it as radioactivity. Okay, so this phenomena is called radioactivity. Okay, so again we are going to have this introduction part about this phenomena of spontaneous disintegrations of heavy nucleus with the emission of certain radiations are called radioactivity. जो कि वो spontaneous मतलब continuously emit करता है radiations from a heavy nucleus. Okay, so that will call emission of certain radiations. That radiations are called radioactivity phenomena. Okay, तो radioactivity found in naturally कौन से एलिमेंट के रहेंगे? These are 82 to 92 in between. Okay, so इससे क्या बोलते हैं हम? नेचुरल रेडियोएक्टिविटी. सो फ्रॉम एटॉमिक नंबर 82 टू 92 तक जो भी 10 डिफरेंस है वहाँ पे, तो जो भी एलिमेंट है दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल एक्टिविटी. ओके, दैट न्यूक्लिया है, दैट न्यूक्लियस मतलब दैट एलिमेंट विल follow this natural radioactivity. Okay, such type of radiations are called radioactive rays. जो भी रेडिएशंस देते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? रेडियोएक्टिव रेज. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कौन डिस्कवर किया? इट इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय हेनरी बिक्वेरल. ओके, सो बाय साइंटिस्ट नेम हेनरी बिक्वेरल इन 1896. ओके, ही डिस्कवर्ड द फिनोमेना ऑफ दिस. When he observed this phenomena with the X-rays accidentally discovered with the ultraviolet, this uranium salt. Okay, uranium salt जब कभी emit करता है तब accidentally he got the discovery of this phenomena with certain radiations which affect photographic plates. Okay, जो photograph plate रहेगा मतलब that will sends the rays. Okay, so and the rays मतलब the beam of light. Okay, where the radiation will go and fall on the photographic plate. तो यहाँ पे further मैडम क्यूरी के and पेरी क्यूरी, these two are colleagues. He and she both are husbands and wife. Okay, so remember then he both are and along with him Rutherford and others showed that phenomena of heavy nuclei. ओके, तो हेवी न्यूक्लिया के अंदर जब कभी रेडिएशन होता है उसका भी कुछ प्रॉपर्टी निकलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड radioactive rays. Okay, that substance which exhibits phenomena are called रेडियो एक्टिव सबस्टेंस, जो भी हमारा एलिमेंट है, कुछ भी सबस्टेंस है, दैट एलिमेंट uranium 92 238. Okay, so povium and radium, okay, these are all the natural active substance which exhibits the phenomena of radioactive elements. Okay, so ऐसे ही again this radioactivity is a result of what? Decay of disintegration of unstable nuclei. Okay, इसका मतलब है जब कभी आपका अनस्टेबल न्यूक्लियाई रहेगा, फॉर एग्जांपल यूरानियम 92 238 है. Okay, this is unstable nuclei, for example, but this unstable nuclei is always emits the radiations. Okay, these are natural radiations and this is unstable nuclei results into decay. Decay मतलब इसको जो भी concentration है इसका, the number of electrons and all the property which are decreases. Okay, decay होने लगता है. decay मतलब decrease करना, disintegrate करना. Okay, so note पे यहाँ पे radioactivity is a nuclear phenomena. Okay, this is called nuclear phenomena. ये कौन सा phenomena है? Nuclear phenomena. Again, radioactivity is unaffected by any external magnetic field, pressure, electric field, temperature. Okay, this cannot be unaffected by this phenomena, but it is always spontaneous. It will take its own only. Okay, it will has continuously emission of radiations by itself only, not the others. Okay, not it depends on other factors. Therefore, radioactivity is spontaneous process. Okay, so again, this type of radioactive radiations are the radioactive rays which will undergo radiations. But all the radioactive substance disintegrates emitting which type of radioactive rays? That are called alpha rays, beta rays and gamma rays. जब कभी एक न्यूक्लियाई है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूरानियम 92 235 है, when these radiations will emit means that emitted radiations are alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, so these are called radiations of radioactive substance that will follow alpha rays, beta rays and gamma rays. Okay, so जब कभी ये होने लगते हैं rays, we can study by the simple experiment. Okay, so simple experiment है यहाँ पे देखिए. So this simple experiment हम पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ना है तो पढ़े तो आपको मालूम होगा. Okay, so this is simple experiment. We'll discuss about next class.